In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Google Drive organized in just 5 minutes. Keeping your digital workspace neat not only makes finding the files you need easier, but also enhances your overall productivity. Let's dive into the steps to declutter and systemize your Google Drive effectively. To begin, open your Google browser and locate the Google Apps icon, usually depicted by a small grid of dots in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking this brings up all available Google applications. Find and select Drive. This takes you directly to your Google Drive, where your organized journey begins. Once you're in your Drive, the first thing to do is to create folders to categorize your files. Think in terms of broad categories like work, personal, or projects. This step helps in building a foundational structure for your files, making it easier to find what you need when you need it. Next, go a step further by using subfolders. For example, within a work folder, you might want subfolders for specific projects or clients. Subfolders enable a more granular organization, tailoring the hierarchy to fit your personal or professional needs more accurately. A fantastic feature of Google Drive is the ability to star files and folders. Use this feature to mark particularly important or frequently accessed items. Starring allows for quick access from the starred section of Drive, saving you time and effort. Adding to the visual organization of your Drive, take advantage of the color coding feature. This allows you to assign different colors to different folders, providing a vivid and immediate way to differentiate between categories or projects. It makes spotting and navigating to specific folders much more straightforward. A crucial part of maintaining an organized Google Drive involves regular cleanup. Allocate some time each week or month to move outdated or unnecessary files to a trash folder. Then, when you're confident you no longer need those items, permanently delete them. Regular cleanups prevent clutter from building and keep your drive streamlined. Additionally, if you have a lot of files shared with you, consider consolidating them into your My Drive. This step brings a sense of ownership and order to shared files, making them easier to find and manage within the context of your organized Drive. By taking these steps, you'll find that Google Drive becomes a much more efficient tool for managing your digital life. While organizing may seem tedious at first, the time and stress saved in the long run are well worth the effort. Remember, a clean drive is a happy drive. Thank you for following along, and let's keep our digital spaces tidy.